I'm Heather Rates. Currently, I am a senior doing the online degree program for early childhood. I don't have much experience besides volunteering to teach art at a preschool in Lawrence, Kansas, while I attended KU at the time. And then I had to switch to Fort Hays when my husband moved to Japan. So I'm actually in Japan right now, and he is stationed in Sasebo at the military base here. And this is low-tech assistive technology. Okay. So this is the SET framework, so SETT, standing for Students, Environment, Tasks, and Tools. And so now I'm going to go into 3 different tools and how they benefit the student, certain types of students, which environments they're useful in, and which tasks they're benefit students for. Okay, so the first one I chose was the raised line paper. This is like writing guides that has raised line guide paper. It offers tactile and visual display. So this is for students with visual impairments or orthopedic disabilities or maybe learning disabilities who have a little bit of trouble staying within the lines, and this type of paper helps guide them. So certain tasks that this type of low-tech assistive technology is good for would be teaching letter size and proportions, generalizing handwriting, writing short compositions, note-taking, and then eventually you would move up to essay writing. So this paper is very versatile because there's 6 different stages that you can use this paper in. So first one starts like this, which is pictured here with the different colors, the biggest wided guidelines, and then it's also shaded to help guide the student in the writing. But in the 6th stage, it actually resembles the most of note paper. So this is when they can actually kind of guide themselves off and start using actual notebook paper. And so this paper would be good across all disciplines because it's paper, you can use it for writing, for any subject matter. This one I chose to do for early childhood, but again, you can use it for higher grades. Like I was saying with the 6th stage, you can use it for essay writing and for college students and even for adults. Okay, so the next one is head pointers. So this is a device that is attached to the student's or individual's head, and it has an attachment along the forehead and along the chin, so it's nice and secure, and that just allows the students to point, type, and it has different alternate tips, so you can actually hold things with the tips, but some tasks include drawing, typing, turning pages, pointing to express needs and wants. And then, so for the environment, again, this one is across all grade levels and into adulthood because it's adjustable for the head shapes. You can have it customized, but for relatively low cost. And you can use this for reading assignments, participating in online platforms like pictured, he's using it for typing, and then typing out assignments. So this would be for students who don't have very good motor abilities, so or if they have tremors, so students maybe with cerebral palsy or who are quadriplegic. Okay, so my last one is the key guard. So this is just really a basic heavy plastic material that goes over the keyboard. And you can actually customize this for all the different types of keyboards. So if you can use it for across many different devices. And this really just kind of adjusts the style of typing, so it fills in the spaces in between the keys, and then it creates little divots on the actual keys themselves. So it allows for better grip on the keys, so that they aren't hitting keys that they don't want to be hitting. So this is very good for people who don't have upper limb mobility or much upper limb mobility, problems with coordination, fine motor skills, or have severely restricted motor ratios. And this particular technology would probably be best for, you know, the computer work, but you can use it across all the disciplines because you can use computer work for typing, reading, online platforms, trying to just like type up what you want for other teachers. So it's a very versatile product as well. All right, and that's it. Thank you.